Health insurance versus private medical versus outpatient versus hospital only versus cash plan versus dental. Which one is better for total coverage? When it comes to family health, most people get this wrong by assuming a single insurance policy covers everything. The surprising truth is that private medical, outpatient, hospital only, cash plan, and dental insurance all serve very different purposes. Private medical insurance is comprehensive, covering inpatient and day patient treatments in private hospitals. It's ideal for serious illnesses or surgeries, helping avoid long or public healthcare waiting times. Outpatient insurance covers consultations, scans, and minor treatments that don't require an overnight stay. If you need specialist advice or diagnostic tests, this cover can save significant costs that standard policies might not include. Hospital-only insurance is a more focused version of private medical insurance. It only covers procedures requiring hospital admission, making it cheaper, but less comprehensive. It's suitable if you're mainly concerned about major surgeries rather than routine care. Cash plans work differently, offering reimbursement for everyday healthcare costs such as prescriptions, physiotherapy, or optician visits. While not covering major medical emergencies, they reduce out-of-pocket expenses for routine care. Dental insurance provides cover for checkups, fillings, root canals, and sometimes orthodontics. Dental problems can be expensive, and a dedicated policy ensures regular maintenance, and unexpected treatments are manageable. So, which is better for total coverage? For families, a combination often works best: private medical or hospital only for serious treatment, outpatient for specialist access, cash plan for routine expenses, and dental insurance for oral health. The key takeaway is that no single policy covers everything. By layering insurance options tailored to your family's needs, you can achieve complete healthcare protection, reduce stress, and ensure your loved ones receive timely treatment without breaking the bank.